Welcome, me peepas, the people of the audience. How are you today? Welcome to the den of Rand Ease. We got a little bit something interesting to try here and see if we can make it through a whole video without freaking out. My best and biggest apologies after last week's meltdown. But anyways, we got here is a 12 amp Bissell vacuumicator. It's got the heater inside it there. 12 amps, 6 cleaning rows of dirt lifter power brush. Nothing bigger or better. Anyways, it's got the heater, like I said, it's got the whirly bird thing that comes up here, shows you that the pump is working. The problem I got is I got no pressure, no water pressure whatsoever. It's not, the water pump is patoots. Everything else seems to work. You can see that down in here, the belt. Now the thing is, these are a nightmare, a total nightmare. In fact, I used to have one. I had to go look because I thought I had almost the exact same thing, except for the heater went out. But I was wrong. I had two other types of Bissells that. One I had to make parts for it out of tin, and it's a long story. But anyways, whoa! Sorry about that fumble. This thing is really fancy here. This dollar store, I don't know what you call it. Is it a GoPro? It's supposed to hold the phone up. It's fancy though. Check this out. You're gonna love this stuff. Get off. So, anyone got a screwdriver? I mean, I got tons of screwdrivers and everything else. And I ain't got one that'll fit down in there. And you think, God, hey, you just use one of these deals with the extension, right? Wah, it fits halfway. It doesn't fit. I don't know why. So, going through like everything I've got, basically I got just this, I forgot I had this last time I worked on one of these, this long extension here, see it? And that'll go, whoop, I got it on the ratchet to get the back ones. I got the extension on it for some reason. But anyways, I can keep you in the shot here. I apologize about that. That's why I always put it on the stand. But it's just where I got my stand in my hand and putting everything together to see the vacuum is going to be tough. So I'm just trying to explain it, but I'll do it so I don't waste your time. So yeah, see, you got to use the ratchet or you're going to have a tiny little screwdriver in there. And with hands like these, yeah, you can't get much torque on it, but this lets you get down in there with these two. The front cover here has 2 screws down in here, and right over there, that keep you moving. And then this pops off. You want to lift it from the bottom up. You don't want to lift it straight up though, because you'll end up snapping it. It kind of snaps into here. These two back, see back in here, these two back, they slide in there. And that's clean and happy, so I'm going to get that out of the way. So yeah, I'm going to get this apart to where you can see maybe something going on, where I get some progress with it. And yeah, we'll do that. So, be back.